This bird feeder camera from Birdbuddy is the coolest product I've seen in a really long time. This camera is Wi-Fi based and it's magnetic to the bird feeder, which is perfect. It's easy to charge. The entire system was a breeze to set up. Bird feeder itself came pre-assembled, so all we had to do was buy some bird seed for birds local to us and fill it up. This little scooper came included, which was really convenient because it allows you to easily pour the bird seed into the feeder. It took about 3 scoops to fill the feeder, and then we were ready to get it set up. As previously mentioned, the camera is magnetic, which makes it super easy to install into the actual feeder. The quality of the picture from this camera is incredible. Even at dusk, it is so clear and crisp. This comes with a deck mount, or you can mount it as we did on a hook in our front yard. Okay, now my favorite part, the app. This app is so cool because it has a whole bunch of different features. The app allows you to see some other people's feeds, which I just think is so cool to be able to view birds that maybe aren't local to you. You can also check into your personal live feed, which is just the coolest feature. I love to just set this up while I'm working and see who comes to visit. Another feature that I love is it will tell you the species of the bird that's visiting. So if you don't know what it is, the app will tell you. It would truly make such a perfect gift for yourself or for someone who loves bird watching. This is just such a cool concept, and I'm so glad I grabbed this.
So I'm super excited about this Birdbuddy that my family got me. I've been waiting patiently to get birdies in my area. Still working on that. She is the cutest little thing. This is the Birdbuddy. Let me tell you, you are a bird watcher, or you have somebody who's a budding bird watcher like me, doesn't know much about them. This is the gift that you're going to make somebody extremely happy to get. This is a high resolution camera. You just download the app. But what's cool about the app is that you get to see birds from around the world. So stinking cute. I love it. There's a bunch of adapters. I want to get the hummingbird. If you want to make somebody extremely happy this year, has the solar panel on there, so you don't have to charge it. It gets charged by the sun. If not, and if you don't have a lot of sun, you just pop out that camera in the back right there, and it comes with a USB-C charger. This is where you would fill up your little bird seed right in there. Just check it out on the cart below now before they sell out.
do it.
Do it again.
Maybe if we put, see this, maybe if we put something through here that we can pull.
That's
to open
crazy.
it. I know, but that's the only way I got it was when I